Hi, Scott Schubert here. We're just wrapping up another fantastic week in the Platinum Trading Group. It's Friday, and a lot of people are celebrating and very ecstatic. As you can see, I'm going to show you another peek into our private world inside of the Platinum Trading Group, where people are right now, as we speak, learning to become professional Forex traders and fund managers. We've had people in the Platinum Trading Group offering to send funds to some of these traders to get them to trade their accounts because they're doing so well. And the interesting thing is that the gentleman who has done so well was telling the other people that well, just hang in there. We're going to show you how to do the same thing. So that's the whole purpose of our Platinum Trading Group, is to enable people to be able to master the business of Forex trading and to empower you to be able to consistently do this day in and day out, week in and week out, month in, month out, year in and year out. So one gentleman mentioned here in the comments while we're in our live trading session that by the end of today, I see this account doubling. Person says, I'm a classic example of someone who bought most of the courses out there. I'm only seeing the light at the end of the tunnel here. In the last month, I start to realize that it is possible to do the same as the members here, like Josh, Sneer, Nigel. These are some of the people who are well known in our community as excellent traders. And here's another gentleman who also was in our live trading group today, and his comment was, the trading week was good, got 600 pips only this week, 400 short of my weekly goal, but I've been really busy. So he fell short of his goal, which apparently was 1,000 pips for the week, and only got 600 pips. And I'm thinking, well, that's all right. I think most of us can live on that number of pips. And this is a gentleman who works full-time and has multiple other projects going, so it's so exciting and inspiring to see that someone can really demonstrate that it's possible to be working full-time at another job and trading extremely successfully. Oh, here he, by the way, mentions that he's going to be here on Saturday or Sunday and do a thorough analysis with all the other members to show them what he's looking at for the next week, as we can have an open discussion. So if you're in the Platinum Trading Group, you're going to be spending time with some real traders who are making their living trading Forex and getting results. None of this hype, none of this BS, but real traders who are actually doing it. We're not talking about doing anything crazy here. 2% risk. Here's another comment from the gentleman who got the 600 pips. Let me know if you're all interested in meeting up here Saturday or Sunday to review the market and map out the next few weeks of trading. These are just colleagues in the trading business who are working together. We're now forming teams of people who trade on the short-term time frames as well as long-term time frames, and actively trade at all different times of the day, including the Asian session. And I just mentioned today that I fully believe that anyone living in the US can actually trade at a convenient time in the evening for a few hours every evening in the US instead of watching television, and actually get consistent results that would be enough for anyone to achieve their financial goals, just by trading in the evening in the Asian session without staying up all night and trading the London session. I believe it's totally possible to do that. So towards the end of the first half of the New York session, another comment was, well guys, if this price level holds, then I have doubled. So we're all cheering for this gentleman who doubled his account this week. It's not the first time that someone has doubled their account in 1 week, which is obviously extremely good, and we don't necessarily expect people to double their account every week, but to see it happening is of course very exciting. So just wanted to let you know, if you're thinking about participating in the Platinum Trading Group, if you're thinking about becoming a professional Forex trader, or if you're interested in becoming a professional Forex fund manager, I believe there's no better place to be, no more positive and supportive environment that you could possibly find, where people are actually doing it, and there's no hype, no BS, but real people who are actually doing it and getting real results. These results are not typical. Typical results, I'd say, are people losing most of the time and giving up after a short period of time. But for those who are motivated and who are committed to making Forex trading their business for the long term, then if you're interested in getting real results and making this business work, it's definitely possible to make that happen. All right, I look forward to seeing you in here. I look forward to hearing about your results in your Forex trading business.